Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you more about my homemade DIY spot welder. And as you can see, this is powered by the mains. This is the microwave oven transformer that not just like I hacked it out quite some time ago. So basically what happened is that, as you can see, I have hacked out only the secondary winding, but not the core out itself. The core remains intact, so I hack it out using a jigsaw, hacksaw. Cut off the secondary winding, then use a hammer and a tool to hammer it out of its way. But because that can be quite difficult also, what I did was using a drill to actually drill into the secondary winding and hack it out. Then that will be replaced with a 4-gauge wire with around 2.5 turns around the core. So that will be the transformer that will do the spot welding. Then this transformer is for the power supply to this board over here, which I have bought it online on AliExpress, and this is the switch that was salvaged from a microwave oven. So that is to activate the spot weld. And this board only accepts an AC power supply, that's why I'm using this. Then there is the display panel and the control knobs. Turn it on. This display here shows the timing, but of course this is not in seconds. This timing display is just a number. It doesn't mean that it's in seconds, and this current also is just a number only. This current is actually adjusted by adjusting the phase angle control of the output, which is controlled by the triac enclosed inside here. So as you can see, this one is basically a pulse generator. So if I press and hold it in, it will only generate a pulse for whatever the timing that was set over here. So this is my demonstration of my homemade spot welder, which I built it myself. So basically this is the switch. So when you press, it will turn on for a short period of time. So just press it firmly in place and weld. So that's the weld. Let's try another. And here we go. And as you can see, this is a nice and tight joint, which is good. So Unfortunately, I didn't record myself making one of these battery pack over here. So I have completed it already. Let's see the voltage. Okay, turn off. And it's around 12 volts, more or less. So as you can see, I have booted up my old Toshiba laptop, and it says your battery power is at 6%. If you don't plug it in, your computer will soon hibernate automatically. But it seems to me that this 6% actually lasted for quite a long time. Anyway, I have inserted good batteries inside already, but as you can see, it says consider replacing your batteries. But of course, the newly made battery pack works better than the old one, definitely. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.